Hey everybody, it's UpNorthGuy Mixology again with another awesome cocktail recipe. It's the Cane Martini. Perfect for Christmas parties, holiday parties, New Year's Eve party. That's what I'm going to serve this year for New Year's Eve. Super simple to make. I'll show you how to do it starting right now. All right, Cane Martini. Well, what's in it? Well, the spirit is vodka. And what you want here is a very clear, clean, simple, flavorless vodka. I'm using Effen. It's just a brand that I like, but you don't have to use that. Any one that's clear and flavorless, because the flavor from the drink comes from this. It's Peppermint Schnapps, liqueur, and then the last ingredient in it is club soda. So talk about the proportions here. It's going to be 2 ounces of the vodka. It'll be 1 ounce of the peppermint schnapps and then 1 ounce of the club soda. And I'll show you how you mix it up. Pro tip on the vodka, put it in the freezer the night before. It gets it super chilled. It's really helps this drink a lot. So to mix it up, really simple, just get a shaker full of ice to start. Now typically I don't like to make drinks one-on-one. I like to make a batch of drinks all together because it's much easier to serve it that way. This drink with the club soda in it, you can't really make a batch, doesn't hold too well, so I make each drink individually. But here's the mix again, so it's going to be 2 ounces of the vodka. I'm just going to pour this right in here with my jigger. There's the 2 of the vodka. And then peppermint schnapps will be 1 ounce. I'm going to put that in there. Just 1 right on top. And then last is the club soda. Club soda gives it a little bit of fizz. Gives it a nice bounce and balance. Now typically with a soda too, you don't want to be shaking a lot. So this is a drink, you do shake this because you have to get it nice and cold. You just got to watch the fizz in here because soda, carbonated, anything carbonated is going to really make it fizz up. So have a good handle on that shaker when you're shaking it. Gets it super chilled and cold. Then you're just going to take it off the top and then watch that spin around there. That just makes a beautiful top to the drink like that. Very cold, very clean. And then the garnish, where it gets the name Cane Martini, are these little mini candy canes. You just hang one on the side like that, and that finishes off the drink. If you're not sure about this one, maybe you're thinking it's a little bit too sweet, let's go find somebody and have an unsolicited taste test.
What's going on here?
I need a taste tester for my Cane Martini.
Well, how about Margaret?
I'm looking at this unsuspecting young lady right here.
Oh my heavens,
The
Merry
Cane
Christmas.
Martini.
Happy holidays, Happy New Year. Here we go, we'll see how it goes.
Ho, ho, ho.
You know what was really cool is I smelled it before I tasted it.
All right.
Delicious.
There it is, folks.
Cheers.
Stay fresh. Cheers.
Happy New Year. Remember, always drink responsibly. Don't overserve your guests. It's a delicious cocktail. Have fun with this one. Hey, if you like the video, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. Share out the recipe. It's a real simple one, real fun one on there. I appreciate everybody that subscribes to my channel. It's UpNorthGuy on YouTube. Got other videos about mixology, how-tos, product reviews, life and living up here, beautiful northern Michigan.